Let's be honest, we've all been there. You just finished designing a perfect graphic or hero image in Canva. It's got the right font, the perfect colors, and it's exactly what you need for your latest email campaign. But then you have to download it, find where you saved it, and re-upload it into your email design platform. It's a classic case of the download, save, upload process, and it's a huge time waster. But what if you could skip all those steps? Introducing Beefree's Canva integration, which lets you quickly import designs you've created in Canva into your Beefree workspace. Let me show you how it works. So here we are in Beefree inside the Projects tab. Let's say you just created a new email campaign that is ready to go, and you want to import the hero image you created in Canva into your design. To do this, you'll need to head to your workspace's library, and then click Media. Next, select the Canva button to begin the connection process. You can hit Connect to Canva in the pop-up window, and then you'll be prompted to log into your Canva account. Now, once your credentials are in there and you're signed in, you'll need to authorize access for Beefree, so you can click Allow here. Keep in mind that our Canva integration is workspace specific, so what that means is that if you have multiple Canva teams on your account, you'll need to choose which team to connect to during setup. Now we can select the image we want to import by clicking Insert, and then select the format we want to save it in. So let's go with PNG here. Okay, great. You can see our image was uploaded successfully to the file manager and saved inside a newly created folder called Canva. And now it's ready to use, so you can effortlessly add this Canva design to your email campaigns or landing pages. Now, since your Canva account is connected, there's no need to sign in again in the future. Any new designs you create in your account automatically show up when clicking on the Canva button inside your library. This workflow is even faster inside the Beefree Builder if you know exactly what Canva design you want to import and where. From the Beefree Builder, you can quickly add your uploaded Canva visuals to your design instantly via the image and icon content blocks and row background image feature. For the purpose of this example, let's use the image content block. First, click on an image inside your design. Then, select Change Image to replace the current image with a new one. This will open up the file manager. Next, click the Canva button to open a list of your Canva designs. Once you select a design, you'll be taken to a window to confirm your import settings. If your Canva design has multiple pages, choose the specific page you want to import and then the file format before clicking Confirm. And you're done. Your Canva design will be automatically inserted into Beefree as well as stored in the Canva folder in your media library for future use. It's important to note that due to compatibility considerations, some Canva formats can't be imported into Beefree. Those include PDFs, Microsoft PowerPoint, Open XML presentation files, and MP4s. Beefree does accept JPEGs, PNGs, and GIFs. And that's a wrap. Beefree's Canva integration eliminates the time-consuming download, save, upload process, allowing you to seamlessly pull professional designs into your emails quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching.